PowerPlus plunge saw 1200 watts, POX0562. First things first, it's not a sponsored video. I saw this online, it was 129 euros. So we take a look at it. It's not a teardown, at least I don't hope so. We will see when we plug it in. FPs is flying everywhere. It is what it is. With that being said, let me grab an unboxing knife. See what I have. Where is it?
Got him! Damn, boy!
Perfect. When we open the box, what we will find is a small box. These are the clamps that will fit in the guide rails. We will take a look at that later. We have another box. These are the actual guide rails. Right. We will piece them together also later. Next, we have the machine itself in a plastic bag. And that's pretty much it. Except for a lot of cardboard dust. Don't know how that came in. The machine. It is protected by a small cardboard piece of thing.
Look back and watch me smack that all on the floor. Smack that.
A sticker, PowerPlus sticker, nothing fancy. This swivel thing. You plug a dust collection in. Vacuum hose. Don't say anything else.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
Next, the casing. Feels pretty skookum. Aluminum. I was hoping for diamond, titanium, but a scale. In millimeters, of course. We're living on the correct side of the planet, so we use millimeters. What I don't like about this, if you go over it with your nail, you don't feel any indentations. When you take this machine outside to play with your friends, paintball, whatever, paint comes over it, you can see jack. So I don't like the knobs. Plastic. All plastic. This scale is for the plunge saw. Thank you. It's for the plunge saw to let it dive or to come up. Another scale. This scale is for the bevel. So you can bevel the machine from 0 degrees up to 45. Loosen the knob. On the back, same thing. Loosen up. Voila. If you don't need it, you can throw it away. Okay, so when it's loosened, you can bevel it. Pretty easy. No restrictions there. Go smoothly. Smoothly, but ensuring. You know what I mean? Look, my nicely opened cardboard box. You can open this also smoothly, but it's too smoothly. On this, I don't feel any problems. It's smoothly, but yeah, that are the other words. Alright. What else do we have? The foot of the machine feels metal. What else do we have? The handle, casing, plastic. It feels a bit cheap plastic. Not very cheap plastic, but it doesn't feel good quality plastic neither. Rubber-ish overmolding. Same with the handle. Same material. Plastic, hard plastic. What else do we have? The knob feels same plastic as a casing. Put it in like so. You can drop the saw down. Push the same time this knob and the blade will start running. When you want to switch blades, they put the key to remove the blade in this handle. Put the key, stick it in, you know how it goes.
That's what she said. Or he said.
On the inside, where is it? Yeah. On the inside, here's a metal push button. You push this button in, like so. Push it in. If you don't push it in, you can turn the blade. It turns by itself. See, it's loose. It goes all weeble wobbly. When you're done with that, take the key, back in its place, clicky clicky, push it back to the original place, and you're good to go.
Really? Nothing.
Okay. First time putting the machine on the track. There's quite a bit of play. Nothing too serious. Just turn the knobs. If you turn them all the way up, the machine is stuck. That's too much. Put it a bit back. The machine is much looser. See? It flies off like a space shuttle.
Okay, Scooter, well, look, it's a great day to go fly. On behalf of the KSC Processing and Launch Team, I'd like to wish you, your crew, and the whole Hubble Space Telescope team a great mission. Good luck, Godspeed, and we'll see you back here in about 11 days. Enjoy the ride, pal.
There's still a lot of play. Take your time with adjusting these knobs. It will save you a lot of hassle in the future when you're taking a cut in your material. Yeah, I'm quite happy for this price range. First looks, will I recommend it? Up to this point, Yes. Okay, now we will try to put the tracks together. What I did find out, and I was very annoyed by that. Look, I'm stuck. What's the problem with that? If I take my machine, I place it on my track, and I go over the track, I hear and I feel a small bump from those edges. Every piece is 34 centimeters, 340 millimeters. That's not enough for what I want to use this. So I bought 2 extra packs. So in one pack it comes with 2 pieces. In this pack included is this metal connector. The small bar faces down. The big bar with the 2 screws in it face up. Take these 2 together, they will fit a bit. Here is a hole, here is a notch. Lay it on top of each other. Slide it in this groove. Slide it in here. Place this bar in the middle. Then lay the straight edge against it. Put a little bit of pressure, the guide to the straight edge, and tighten it ever so snugly. Here is an even bigger gap. See? Here it is put together with no gap in between. If you go more to the end, this gap, it is at least 2 millimeters apart. Although I put everything against my straight edge. So what does this mean? The quality of the connecting pieces is 0. Now we take the machine, place it, and I'll go over my guide. See what I mean? See? I'm stuck. I'm just pushing one finger against the machine and I'm stuck. Very annoying. There is no play. By the way, it took me also a very long time to adjust those 2 knobs. Those 2. It took me a very long time. The problem I had with those was this key, this Allen key, it was not included in the box to adjust those 2 screws. Okay, not a problem. I have my tool. But now, this situation like this, I have it with all the pieces that are connected. So now I must go figure something out to make it work. I've spent a couple of days, almost a week now, to find the problem and also try to find a solution. The problem is the adjustment knobs. I took them off now. The problem is, you put the saw on this track, loosen the bolt, adjusting it so that it's nice and snug and it feels good. You tighten the bolts. After a few passes, 3 passes, 4 passes, something like that, the play was coming back. Again, loosen the bolts, adjust the knobs, feel pretty good about your adjustment, tighten the bolts again, take a few passes, again, 3, 4, something like that. The play was back. Each time, again. I was going bananas. So, I took them off. Then, the solution, maybe temporary, as you'll see. This square piece of wood fits nice, almost perfectly. Then what I'm going to do is, I have another piece of wood. I glue it and staple it on top of the square wooden bar. Put the machine on the track. Right against it. So this feels good and I have no play. Staple it, going all the way. And then we will see if it works. I'm not going to do this in this video. Why? This video is taking me more of my time than I thought. I have some shit to do. I have wood to cut. And at this moment, you see, I didn't do anything yet. I am almost over a week now trying to come up with something that I can finally start. I will set this up, doing some tests. If the tests are good, I'm using it to actually start building something. If you want to see that, you must click the next video, because this is taking me way too long. Conclusion. No, I don't buy it again. Do I have a grudge against PowerPlus? Absolutely not. I love PowerPlus. I have this drill from PowerPlus, this hand drill. I have it over 2 years now. Love this drill. I have a table saw. My table saw, a portable one. It runs also off the same batteries as my hand drill. I love PowerPlus. The machines they offering for the price, absolutely. With that said, I'll thank you for your patience and your time, because this video took a lot of your time also to watch it. This video is my first video that I make. I joked, I was serious. In the future there are coming more videos. I know I am at the start. I made a lot of mistakes in this video. I am open to improvements. I know that from myself. It's not perfect in any means. So if you want to give comment, by all means do it. Be free, but give me some slack also, please. It's my first video. I never done this before, so I love to hear from you what you thought of that, and I'll see you in the future.